I'm going to take you through the Mountfield SP485HW. This is with a Honda engine. It's got a 160 Honda engine. It's an 18-inch width of cut. It's got high wheels at the back here, which gives it traction. It has one height adjuster, which means it's easier to use. Large grass box, which is easy to take off, and it has a mulching facility, which means that you don't have to collect the grass. This Mountfield mower has a drive system on it. It also has speed that you can speed it up or slow it down depending on the terrain of your garden. So this 18-inch lawnmower is ideal for medium-sized gardens. This Mountfield SP485HW.